sir, students know what is prime, but what are exactly the features of this prime?
Trust me, ma'am, students don't know what is prime. They think they know prime. They feel that, okay, it is some cheap course and something, very random things are there. But no, guys. In fact, see, one thing, whatever we do, irrespective of whatever price it is at, we try to justify it with the best of our, inputs, and we make sure that we as teachers get behind, every single team, whether it is the content team, whether it is the admin team, whether it is the tech team, that, listen, we have to make it affordable. We have to give the best of the best. We have to give everything that we can do in our ability, because at the end of the day, we want our students to improve. Simple. Like, if you remember, all our classes were on big smart boards and, amazing notes quality, and even the PDFs which are generated, they were sent automatically after the classes. So students don't have to worry about the notes at all. And in fact, there were DPP generators, assignments and tests which were given for every single class after every, single chapter, so you don't have to download or look out for these things on the internet. Because, see, you have come to us with a hope. You have come to us with the faith. And it is now our responsibility to give you everything. So we gave you those assignments. We give you those tests after every chapter.
Moreover, sir, while we are in the class, we are teaching, right? There are so many hundreds of students in the class. So when they have doubt, we have another teacher in the class that is going to solve your doubt instantly. Instant in-class doubt solving feature as well. Yeah.
And in fact, that is the level of personalization. And we have Ved also in action. I'll just show it to you in a bit, who helps our students, not just even in a live class. Many kids were there who used to attend, other coaching, but they had also taken the prime batches because they loved us, and, their school timings or whatever never permitted them to attend their classes. So they used to watch our recordings and they used to ask the doubts even in a recorded class.
The class as well. Even the recorded version, you can ask the doubts just like sir told. And also in the class, you have live quizzes and leaderboards. I think that's the most amazing time in the class. Students used to wait and just see that, okay, this where I rank in the leaderboard. So that is also an awesome feature.
And even the full tests and even the part tests which went on in the end, they were all India level. It was not just the prime students from English who were attending it. They were also students from other languages and, other parts who were attempting the same tests. So the rankings were so accurate and very close to the rankings which the students are about to get in their JEE Mains exam, right?
And also we are on the Telegram group, always connected to the students, sending them the DPPs, everything is there. So you will feel that we are always there with you.
True. And
what is this?
Oh, this test analysis is one incredible feature. A lot of times people think, test analysis, it's a normal thing. Okay, you will get some accuracy report card. You will just get to know how many correct, how many incorrect. That is not what test analysis is, because that's what everybody does and that's not useful. People make those fancy charts, fancy colorful things, but you don't know what to do next. And I'll just show you a demo after a bit. But, even like you were telling about our in-class experience, right? They were all in big boards. And these are the leaderboards. You remember this, ma'am?
Yes.
Like students used to fight for...
they used to tell me, ma'am, please send this leaderboard in the Telegram channel. I want every student to know that I'm top on the leaderboard.
And this is exactly what puts those students on the front bench. Because I remember there were few students who were common in the leaderboards. But every single class, there used to be new students who used to make it a point to come up to the leaderboard. And it's not like only top 3 students. There are 10-15 students, and it gives that immense joy that, okay, I'm performing better today.
We feel that every single day they are being acknowledged for the hard work that they are putting, the constant push to them every single day. And what is this? This
was a doubts part where the students used to ask all the doubts and everything. And you can get those timestamps, everything through Ved. Exactly. And in fact, now I'll show you a demo of how our test analysis looks like. Yes, it is colorful, but it is also meaningful. So ma'am, please come over. I'll show you one of the tests, maybe over here. I have this one. And we had given this test long time back. And... let's have a look at the attempted test and JEE test. Yes. So, this is a very good score, by the way. 245 out of 300 just few days back. So let's have a look at the report. So there you go. Ved is doing the analysis every single time. And wow, it's like almost rank 1 maybe in that test. And 75 attempted. Oh my god, this is insane. All the 75 questions he has attempted and 64 correct, 11 incorrect. Accuracy report, time report. But that's not the end of it. This though anybody can do it.
Overview of that.
Correct.
So let's see in detail if Ved is going to tell you about.
This is that feature, man. Score booster. Ved score booster. So analysis, anybody can do an Excel sheet. No. But here, this is your starting point. It is telling you exactly what you can do. Say I got 245, you also got 245. But I attempted different questions. You attempted different questions. So accordingly, these things will change. Because otherwise, this will be same only. If you have attempted 245 questions, nothing will change. This is what will be different. What is your predicted rank? And okay, you are showing topper potential with high attempts. So based on your current performance, it is judging you and giving a personal feedback.
Where you went wrong. So as you can see over here, there are easy kill topics like 84% accuracy. That means the student was able to answer 84% of easy kill questions. There were some still questions that were easy, but he was not able to answer. And he is also given in detail.
Yeah. So all these easy kill topics, the student actually, if he does, imagine he can actually go much beyond 245 score and get even better than 800 rank.
Instead of sir doing that again and again, I'll open the notebook and I'll see from the first page and end to end of the chapter. I'll read again and then I'll solve the questions. This is a better strategy. Firstly, you give the test, then you properly analyze and you see where you went wrong and then study those topics from here.
Amazing this is. So I remember during our times or even just couple of years back, students waste a lot of time searching on random places. What are the easy kill topics? Then map it. Which question was from easy kill? Who will do that?
Sir, actually, this is a work of like 4 to 5 hours for students. And also, even if you are in offline, right, the teacher will not sit next to you and tell you this is easy, this is difficult. They can give you data.
It is a time consuming.
It is a very time consuming process. And we have made it very, very easy for you so that you can actually improve by giving the test. Because just by giving the test will not work. You have to improve yourself by analyzing. And one part of it we have already touched on.
And this is also another important thing. Sometimes there are some chapters which might be difficult, but easy questions are there. And other kids have attempted it. So it tells, listen, other kids have done it, why you have not done it. And also there are some previous year questions or previous year model questions. So every student obviously has to be very well with the previous year questions. So it tells, okay, these questions were asked and you can view the questions and you can start giving those questions for additional practice so that next year a PYQ model comes, you are 100% doing it. And every student should do PYQs no matter what. And it gives you subject level accuracy reports, everything. So
I think this is the best.
Isn't it amazing, ma'am?
This is the best. Wow, sir, this is really awesome.
Isn't it? So I feel students should be really happy about it. And you must be wondering, is this with Prime?
Yes. Is this with Prime?
Of course.
That is awesome. That is included in the Prime itself.
So Prime is a full-fledged badge, guys, where you don't need anything else after this. And in fact, to show you what Prime and Ved, how they help you in achieving your best scores, I have a small video on it. So let's have a look at that video.
But I studied so much. Then what went wrong?
You scored 550 out of 720. You are ahead of 65% of the students. Predicted NEET rank is around 40,000. You are a perfectionist and you are subject loyal. Let's turn your results into a roadmap. See what went wrong, learn and level up. 3 quick actions to gain 80 marks and improve your rank from 40,000 to 10,000. Let me show you how. Here's what I found. You missed 5 questions from easy kill topics. You missed 3 easy attemptable questions that most students got right. You got 2 direct PYQs wrong. Let's start with easy kill topics. We'll begin with the high weightage topics. I've customized a learn list with short videos, targeted practice, and notes for your next attempt.
Ved not only gives me my test reports, but also analyzes it like a teacher and gives insights to help me improve.
So we have two rings. And somebody was making that noise. Diksha ma'am, wherever.
That's my heartbeat, sir, for the students.
I know it. And I know you cannot control your emotions now, because as and when these rings expand and grow bigger and bigger, we are showing new features, new powers of not just Ved but also Vedantu. And I know you are waiting. Sir, these are just two rings. What else is there on the next two rings? Hold on, my dear students and my dear parents, because the next killer features and the next killer things, the surprises, the elements of gifts, everything is coming just for you in some time. But now is the moment that you have been waiting for. Sir, you spoke so much about Prime. Sir, but where do I get Prime? Well, it's there down in the description box. But sir, what do I get in Prime? Let's start with the first important batch for the second attempt, which is your April attempt of JEE Mains. Students who did not do well, students who missed out on the opportunity of studying with us, students who are now impressed, parents who are now impressed, sir, you are giving so many things, why did I not know about this? I wish I knew about this. So now is your chance for redemption for the second mains attempt. The April batch, the complete pure English batch with your favorite master teachers, with all the features of Prime which I just explained. Yes, all the recordings of whatever we taught for the first attempt is now going to be made available to you at a very affordable price, along with the flashcards. The flashcards are the small pocket size cards which you can use for quick revision, and these are, you can carry it very easily anywhere. You can go to any topic. They are color coded. All the important formulas, charts, reactions, every single thing is there in this flashcard. So a lot of students love this because it saves them time. You don't have to beg, borrow, steal from your toppers or friends. So guys, this combo is available just for 1999 rupees. That's all. So it's really affordable, and students who don't want the flashcards, it's just for less than a rupee of 1,000, right? Then students who want to now prepare for JEE Advanced, because already your results are out and you know most likely that whether you are going to be qualified from JEE Mains to Advanced or what kind of percentiles you can expect. For them, we have the JEE Advanced Ekalavya batch. Now Ekalavya is our flagship batch, remember, where you have the topper mindset, not just at the entry level, but right from the content to the teachers, to the test, to the assignments, to the mentors. Every single person is working towards JEE Advanced and JEE Advanced alone, because only when you prepare yourself for the next 3-4 months with the goal of IIT in mind, you can crack it very easily, or else it becomes tougher after the April attempt. A lot of kids have started their journey towards JEE Advanced. So that's the JEE Advanced Ekalavya batch, which has just started a couple of days back. Yes, you can get the replays also, and yes, you also get the rank accelerator modules, which are the JEE Advanced specific modules. So you don't have to search on the internet for the JEE Advanced questions. So physics, chemistry, mathematics, 3 separate books with proper topic wise, chapter wise segregation, with detailed solution, with questions you will not find elsewhere. These quality set of questions, these 1,000 set of questions, if you solve it, you are sorted along with the material which is given in Ekalavya batch. You are sorted for IIT, guys. Trust me, our previous toppers have just used the same books, and this is the exact secret mantra for cracking JEE. There is nothing else. If they have done it, they have used the same books, they have cracked it, you too can do it this year. There is nothing more to it. Alright, so you're going to get the rank accelerator books delivered at your doorstep with the combo package. Yeah, it's not for 22,000. If you're watching this video, please make the benefit of the price discounts that you're getting for 6,999 rupees only. But if you don't want the books, then you have it for 5,999. My suggestion, personally, don't think about that extra 1,000. Go for the combo package, because those books are really amazing, because the toppers have been using that every single year and getting those top ranks. Then, of course, you have the Ekalavya JEE Mains test series for the April attempt. Some students are already a part of maybe some of the batch or maybe some coaching, but they are not happy with the tests being conducted, right? So for those students, let me tell you, in our January attempt, almost 70% of the questions matched with our Ekalavya test series. Can you just imagine that? So if a student had just prepared with the Ekalavya questions properly, there's a good chance that he would have done almost 2/3 of the paper. It is like 200 marks, which is definitely 99 percentile plus, guaranteed. And with the current January attempt questions, we know what exactly will come in the April attempt. And trust me, this prediction is going to be again holding true. You will see after April attempt, so many kids who would be a part of the test series will come with a happy face. Because I remember after our January means discussion, many kids were telling, sir, this came in this test. Sir, I know this mistake I made in this particular test. So they were already familiar with the questions. So your exam temperament will be better. Your nervousness will not be there because you are already familiar with the questions. So these 60 high weightage topic tests plus 25 full length tests with video solutions available in English and English is just available for 1499. But if you don't want the solutions, video solutions, that is regular solutions are still there. That is for 999. Okay, it's very affordable and I think it's a sure shot ticket. It's like you're buying a ticket into IIT. Okay, otherwise the ticket is very expensive. Just imagine 999 rupees is a ticket for getting into IIT.